Guys, come cook dinner with me. Tonight I'm making roast and I'm going to start off. I already clean off my meat. I'm getting ready to season it and everything. So I always like to add a peck of these little brown gravies in there. I just sprinkle some all around in the bottom of the pan like so. Okay, so enough of the dance break. I'm getting ready to pour a little bit of cold water, just so I can put a little bit of water at the bottom of the pan. In that block, they call it KJV, they call it in the 223 for price of a dog. I'm the one that can sing and the one that can keep on the leash. So I put like a cap full. I try to dry my meat off, and then I put some cooking oil on top of it. So next I can go ahead and rub it all with my, shake some meat, some seasonings on my meat. Okay, so I'm finishing with my seasonings. I want you to know. The king don't need to vote. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to wash off the peppers. I'm going to put all of these bell peppers in. Oh, my neck, get my wrist. When I thought that I live like so God, I'm trying to make a Billy put me on the list. I've been the church. I've been trying not to curse. Look at my phone, God. Don't fall. Jesus walked on water for my son and my daughters. The baby girl, she wants to wash the peppers, so while she's doing it, I'm going to cut up the onions and wash these off. So I'm going to use 2 onions. Are you finished with the peppers over there? Not quite. Go there and get the peppers from this lady because she's gonna be over there at the sink washing on peppers all night if I don't get her. Give it to me. Literally putting my whole head to do it. And now I'm big holy stepping like there ain't nothing to it.